In this video, I'll walk you through the loop mount and hook mount installation for the BE-CHB high bay fixture. The parts required for this installation include the BE-CHB high bay fixture, the M20 loop, which by the way comes standard for this fixture and it should already be installed on the light out of the box, and then your M20 hook. That's an optional adder if you prefer to mount your high bay lights with the hook mount. The tools required for this installation are pretty basic. It's just your Phillips screwdriver and a wrench. So step one, we're gonna install the M20 loop. Now remember, this comes standard on the light and it should already be installed. Step two, use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the screw, and this is just gonna lock the loop into place. If you wanna use the hook instead, which is an optional adder, you can go ahead and remove the M20 loop and install the M20 hook. Then you're gonna wanna use a wrench to ensure that the hook is on securely. And finally, use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the screws. Now you're ready to install your BE-CHB high bay light fixture.